Hey everyone! Today we're delving into ChatGPT 4, and I'm here to guide you through the login process and explore the features that make ChatGPT 4 awesome. Let's jump in! To start, let's talk about logging in. Open your Google Chrome, search for ChatGPT, and click on the first link by OpenAI. This will take you to the ChatGPT interface. If you already have a Google account and a ChatGPT account, click Login. If you're new, sign up by entering your email and password or connect with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose previous versions like ChatGPT 3. You'll also find plugins for future use. The drop-down includes ChatGPT Plus, the paid version, and ChatGPT 3.5, the free version for everyone. On the bottom left, you'll find your search history, and on the upper left, you'll see advanced features. Now let's explore the amazing features. Click on Explore, and it will take you to advanced features like DLL, Data Analysis, ChatGPT Classic, Game Time, The Negotiator, Creative Writing Coach, Cosmic Dreams, and more. Excited? Let's click on ChatGPT 4 and test its incredible feature to understand pictures and provide appropriate suggestions. I'll send a picture of a bunch of veggies and ask for a healthy and tasty recipe. Sending a picture of your fridge veggie box and asking for a recipe. I've selected a picture of vegetables and given a prompt that these are available in my fridge for a healthy recipe. Let's see what happens. See how amazingly it provides a whole recipe, detailing steps from start to finish. It's an incredible and easy way to get cooking ideas based on the veggies in your fridge. So cool! Let's dive into another incredible feature, time. You simply need to provide ChatGPT with a single picture, whether it's a doodle you created or anything else drawn by hand. Capture it, send it to ChatGPT, and give it a prompt. I've selected a picture here. Can ChatGPT visualize it and show us how it would look in real life? Let's find out. I've shared the picture with only outlines, mentioning that it was drawn by my daughter. The anticipation builds up as we wait to see how ChatGPT will interpret and visualize it. Oh my, the images it creates are truly stunning. It's amazing how even a simple structure or a few lines can be transformed into a complete picture. This feature is not just exciting, it's downright astonishing. ChatGPT's ability to bring a visual concept to life is something to be excited about. You can easily incorporate this into your life and harness its powerful capabilities. Let's delve into more amazing features. Here, we have DALL-E. Selecting DALL-E will bring up this interface. Now, what you need to do is send ChatGPT a prompt like, "Show me pictures of scientists doing research on the future." Let's see what it comes up with. As it generates images, there's a certain excitement, almost like a butterfly fluttering in your stomach. You can't help but wonder what it will visualize next. It's genuinely intriguing to witness the creative process and anticipate the results. And here it is, a stunning image. You can download it by clicking on the button. Now let's click on Recreate and see what other image it will generate. Oh my, look at this picture. It showcases scientists working on robotic mice. It's so cool, and personally, I've never seen anything like it before. I'm giving it another prompt. This time, I'm asking for a picture of a lion looking sadly at the sky, as if missing his kin. Let's see what it gives us. Wow, the result is truly amazing. A captivating and emotional picture of a lion. This feature is absolutely mesmerizing, and I would highly recommend it to everyone. Now let's explore Cosmic Dream, another fascinating feature of GPT. I've given it a scenario where a successful boy is missing his mother, who isn't there to celebrate his success. Let's see what Cosmic Dream generates. The difference between Cosmic Dream and DALL-E is that Cosmic Dream provides artistic views on pictures. The result is an amazing and colorful image depicting a boy missing his mother and gazing at the sky. It showcases the incredible and useful capabilities of GPT in creating visually stunning scenarios. So that wraps up our exploration for today. I assume you've enjoyed this video. If you want more content like this, stay connected with us. Give us a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos in the future. Until then, goodbye.